Hello! We are gonna making a slime video, and this is my first slime that I made. It is bouncy slime and it's not stick so much in your hands. Okay. Okay. First, you're gonna need a container and some contact solution and some toothpaste and some shampoo. 2-in-1 I gonna getting using. First, you're gonna need to put your shampoo. And second, you're gonna need to mix. And put some salt, a little bit of salt. It's like getting the texture of slime. And second, you're gonna put a toothpaste. We're gonna need to mix. And the fourth one is you're gonna need to put the contact solution. When it sticks into your hand, and I'm gonna need to add some more salt. My camera is getting low bat, and this is for today. Okay. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. I like you to like this and subscribe. Please give it a big thumbs up.